we know that the overdose rate in the state of New Jersey is 3 times higher than the national average, and we're not going to quit until it's 3 times lower.
Atlantic County has had an epidemic of opioid abuse and devastation. I see that you have a holistic and comprehensive approach. You include the family. You have yoga, physical fitness, fine dining. And I'm reassured now that the road to recovery for people is equipped with these holistic services.
When you come into our world, you're in our family. And once you're in our family forever like every other family. And so as you look around here, I hope you felt that we put home into this building. This is a home. It's a home to the people who work here. It's a home to the employees that labor every day on behalf of our patients. It's a home to the vendors that supply us with goods, the gentlemen and ladies that built this building, and most of all, it's a home to our patients. And when they come here, we want to immediately get them relaxed and feeling like they're home.
From the very first time that I walked into your facility, I was impressed. And the reason I was impressed is because all the employees I met were smiling. And you don't see that in a lot of places today. And the other thing that impressed me was the place wasn't sterile. It was home feeling, and it felt like you could benefit from it.
It is a home. It is a family. I'll tell you one story about one gentleman that was here at this facility, and he actually told me that the kitchen made him gravy and grits, and that they don't have it on the menu, but they actually got a recipe and they made it for him, and it was the second best he's ever had next to his grandmother's from Tennessee. So, but that's an incredible, powerful thing, right? This person is suffering, is struggling with his own identity, is struggling with, trying to get back his life, and he's in a place that is going to make him gravy and grits, to make him feel comfortable. That's powerful.
Another differentiator, I think, for what we're doing here is creating a recovery community. We want Lighthouse, Recovery Centers of America, to be a place where our patients can return. With that being said, we've partnered with our alumni programming to start essentially a mentorship program, where our patients who have come through our programs, completed our outpatient, can come back in and help provide guidance, support, and mentorship to some of our patients in inpatient treatment.
The staff here, as Mr. O'Neill pointed out, he tries to instill these principles, right, to the staff members, and they, take them, they utilize them, and they pass them on to the clients and the patients here, and they actually really live by them. They make you feel home here. They make you feel like you're important. You're just not client number, 10,310. Like, you have a name, you have a story, you mean something. Right. This place is like a home to me, second home. This is my family. I didn't have a great family life growing up, right? I always looked for something else, and I come here after being in all these other facilities with my head down. I get in and they tell me to pick it up. They welcome you. They love you. They love you until you can learn to love yourself. And I've never found that anywhere else. I can't say enough about this place. I truly do love this place. I feel like I owe it so much. My family has their son back, finally. After almost 20 years of struggling with addiction, I can go home and I can give my father and my mother a hug. Tell them I love them and actually mean it. This means the world to me to be able to even come up here and say a few words. Dawn and the staff here have changed my life. They really have. And I think this is an awesome thing. I thank you for allowing us to do this mentorship, and I can't wait to see this place blossom. Thank you.